Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY Faux Locs Headband wig using Brazilian wool to achieve this gorgeous throne and go wig. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just sewing down my headband on my wig cap, my band on my wig cap. So I have a full tutorial on how you can DIY your own headband wig cap yourself, you understand. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this amazing channel. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this amazing video. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your love. And if you've not subscribed, thank you so much for watching this video. Can you please click on the subscribe button? I really appreciate that. You can see what I'm doing. This is a very good guideline for a beginner. Is a beginner friendly method. So you can see I'm going to be using one pack of Brazilian wool, maybe one bundle or one pack. Then I make use of only one of this color of Brazilian wool. So you can see what I'm doing from the beginning. I'm going to crochet my Brazilian wool, then I'm going to braid it down just a little to secure the quantity I want. Just braid it down a little. You don't need to braid it to a very long net or braid it finish. Just braid it a little is okay. The length of this wig is long, as in when I reached some stage I was like, why did I allow the length to be long like this? I was like, who sent me? But you know, your girl now, I love long hair. So the easy method I did was to braid a row, braid it down before I start wrapping. So can you please keep enjoying this amazing tutorial? So now you can see the way I start wrapping. I fold little, then I use my thumb finger to hold it to the one I braid, and I start wrapping. Just kindly please keep on enjoying to know the amount I use for each lock. Keep on watching this amazing tutorial. So the main reason why I use this method, you're going to see what I'm talking about. I don't want to waste the excess Brazilian wool. So if you don't want to use this method, you can take another one when you've already reached the length of where the Brazilian want to finish. You can use it to wrap, but I pick, if I see that the length I'm using to wrap it's remaining small, I drop, then pick another strand, then start using it to wrap. That is what you can see me doing on camera. Then I form a loop, then tie a knot twice, then before I tie it down. It's very, very important for you to space your hands from the beginning of the braid. From the beginning of the false lock, it's very important for you to space your hand so that the wig won't be heavy. Then you can see I crochet with 2 strands of Brazilian wool, then I braid with 3 strands of Brazilian wool. So that is what I did. You can see that there is a lot of space at the back. That is what we want to achieve, so that the wig won't be heavy on your head and it won't be shapeless. You're going to see how mine came out. Don't worry, the last 2 tracks is where we are going to use to cover the rest up. You're going to see what I'm trying to say. Then I start wrapping because of this color is bigger than the Brazilian, the color black. So I wrap with 3 strands of Brazilian wool. Then I braid with 4 strands of Brazilian wool for this color. But for the color black, I braid with 5 strands, which is I crochet with 2 strands, braid with 3 strands, then wrap with 4 strands. So for the black, I use 9 strands for each lock. Then for the other color, which is like sliver, yes, did I get it right? It's like sliver ash color. I I use 7 strands of Brazil for each locks. You can see I'm trying my best to explain this place better. When you are done, almost done with the wool, then drop that, then take 4 strands. No, sorry, I used 3 strands for this. Take 3 strands, then start wrapping with it because you're still going to be cutting the excess off. We don't want to waste that. Then I use that, I start using it to wrap to the length I want. Then I form a loop, then tie a knot. So you can see I braid close to each other. That means I crochet close to each other because we are going to be using the last two track to cover all the back we left the space. So I do the same method by braiding all the line out, the line I'm working on, by braiding it out before I start wrapping. Can you see how it looks like after we finish braiding? We cover the back, we cover it up. If you are still watching to this stage and you've not subscribed, can you please click on the subscribe button? And please, and if you are still watching to this stage and you've not like, please make sure you click on the like button. I really appreciate your love and your support for the growth of this channel. I really appreciate it so much. May God bless each and every one of you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. It's very important for you to have water by your side when you want to burn the tip, because this really hot a lot. If you don't dip your hand inside the hot water, don't do this. You have to put some water by your side if you want to burn the tip. And if I can do it, you can do it, but I just want to add some spice to it to look like real dread. So I just added a little bit, like 6 or 7 towards the end. Then I added some accessories to it. Then you're going to see what the hair looks like. So guys, let's review the final look. Yes, can you see the final look? I really love this hair so much. Oh my god, this came out so beautiful, so nice. The length is a vibe, guys. Oh my god, you're going to see the length towards the end. Just keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You can easily rock this with headband, but I just rock it natural like that. As far as secure all the space, nothing is showing. So can you see this came out? I'm just showing you the side. Can you see that the color is just peeking through? I didn't use a lot of color. Look at the length. This came out so amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please do not forget to hit on the like button. See my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.